What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we'll be doing another simple DIY video and we'll be replacing some LED lights on my Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart Sportback, which is my daily driver. I want to say a big thank you to Auxito for sending out some LED bulbs. They have worked with me previously. We've installed quite a few LED bulbs, like the interior LED bulbs, or Auxito ones. So now we have these new reverse LED bulbs. Should be pretty bright, pretty excited to have them on. And one thing I did notice, if you have a Mitsubishi Lancer sedan versus the Sportback, the reverse LED light bulb size are different. So if you do have the sedan, which most Mitsubishi Lancer owner are, Evo 10, Ralliart Lancer owners, this is the bulb size. It is right here. 7440 is the bulb size. But if you have a Sportback like mine with the hatch, for some reason Mitsubishi decided to have a different bulb size, so that didn't fit. Because some new ones, these are the T15 or the size 921, so size is right here, fits a Sportback. So yeah, super excited to have them on. It's gonna look so much brighter at night whenever I reverse. Okay, so this should be a pretty easy install. The reverse bulbs will be right here. So right here. So like I said, whenever you back up at night, previously the stock ones are halogen. Let's go ahead and open the trunk, or if you say the hatch. And pretty easy. What we want to do is, there are little covers like that on each side. You're gonna go ahead and pry it open. And luckily for me, I always have my handy dandy toolbox in my Ralliart. So you can just grab a screwdriver. I'm gonna replace it with a flat tip to pry it open. Okay, screwdriver. Okay, this little spot. Pry it open like so. Okay. And what you want to do now is the bulb is in there. So you're gonna go ahead and fit your hand in there, lefty loosey, turn it anti-clockwise, and you'll be able to remove your bulb just like so. And if you guys are curious how the OEM halogen bulb looks like, this is how it looks like. And if you were to compare it side by side with the Auxito LED bulbs, like I said, they are not universal, so if you have a different year, make, and model, make sure to check what light bulb size you have. But these are the same size. It's also going to be so much brighter whenever I reverse that light. Alright, so just rip open the packaging. Really nice. It's going to be so bright at night. So like I said, these are plug and play. So you're just going to go ahead and stick it in and put it back. Now that you have your bulb nice and stuck, whenever you fit your hand in there, you're gonna make sure you put it in, turn it clockwise, righty tighty, get it nice and snug. And then what you're gonna do now is just put this little plastic piece back on, just like how you took it off. Okay, like that, nice and flush. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start up the car. Put it in reverse so that you guys can see the difference between the LED versus the stock halogen bulb. Alright, so you guys saw the difference between LEDs versus these halogens. Right now, like I said, same thing, super easy. You just take it off. We're gonna go ahead and put on the new LED bulb. On camera, maybe it looks like it's just a different color, but at night, I'm sure it's gonna make a world of difference. So like I said, just plug and play. Alright, and just like that, we have the LED bulbs done. Super excited with how everything is. Super easy 5-minute install. Alright, and just like that, another simple DIY install done on the Mitsubishi Lancer Ralliart. I hope you guys like these simple DIY videos. For me, it's an upgrade, so might as well vlog the small little upgrades I make on the Ralliart. Probably make a little update video once all these modifications are done. I think the well, I don't want to say very last thing, but for this year, since it's already towards the end of 2022, I think the last thing I want to do to the Ralliart will be the headlight swap. So you guys know, yes, I did recently put on some LED headlight bulbs, but we also do have aftermarket headlights. The VLANs are on the Mitsubishi Lancer show build. Those are going to make its way onto the Ralliart, and the Lancer is going to get new headlights. So pretty excited about that. You guys can stay tuned. Hopefully I'll be able to do that before the end of the year. And if any of you guys are looking for reverse LED bulbs or any LED bulbs, as a matter of fact, you can go to Auxito's website, auxito.com, or go to the Instagram page. Make sure to use my code thejmedia for a nice discount. Like I said, even if you don't know the bulb size you need for your specific car, you can put in the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and you'll be able to find your LED bulbs. So whether it's headlight bulbs, low beam, high beam, reverse bulbs, interior bulbs, I think it definitely makes the car look more modern, brighter, and last longer. So that's why I love my LEDs over halogen bulbs. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.